KH Ushenta Chaturya. Aruna Samarasinghe. KH Chamatka Hassan. Anjana Tushan Kulasekara. Govinda Dasanayaka. Kavitra Ramalka Gunavardhana. H.A. Ravidu Anjula. K.H. Rukshan Madhushankar. MMA Ravidu Kanishka. KH Ganidu Myanga. BKD Ishan Badagoda. Malinga Gunaratna. Vihada Prabhashara. Nisal Amartunga. BB IS Viduranga. Manuja Geeta Subhasingha. Banuka Nadi Shakalanka. Diluk Sachit Piris. Manjita Millania. Navidu Indita Amarasinghe.
Cub Scouts Gold Star in 2013 Vinuka Ranjuna Roga Singha. Nishat Kandiga Javardhana. PK Savi Vidushan. RM Dulan Devinda Bandara. MD Dilusha Lakshan. HMV Chandeep Herat. W Vishwasaranga Disanayaka. DA Chamot Kalpita Dasanayaka. Chatil Imsara Narangoda.
Gunawardana.
DA Achala Renushka. Sakit Sandeep Ruhruge. Senu Nedum Receiver. Niralokita Tondinage. Vasanta Hansa Jayalukke. H.A. Chamot Tikshana. Kehan Hansaja Veeraratna. Pasindu Matisha Karunaratna. Ehan Karishka Veerasinghe. Athletics, Manet Banura Agavatta. KH Savin Malinda. PA Hasanga Kumar Singh. Yashan Sushika Sirimevan. KH Deshan Madhushankar. Nimesh Lakshana Sudhusingha. Thank you, sir, for joining us in giving away the merit awards.
Now we shall move on to awarding mementos to our teachers in charge of games who have spearheaded this vastly successful mission of gaining victories through sheer force of will and bringing glory and victory to Mahanama in a way like never before. Therefore, I now invite the Zonal Director of Education, Jayanta Vikramnayaka, with utmost respect to give out mementos to our dear teachers, and I invite the Principal, Brave Colonel Prasanna Upashanta, to accompany him. Dear sir, you are now most welcome to the stage.
Rugby, Master in Charge, Mr. PML Subhasinghe. Rugby, Master in Charge, Mrs. Atulya Pereira. Rugby Tech, Master in Charge, Mrs. Vinita De Silva. Cricket, Master in Charge, Mr. WMBSB Lalit. Cricket, Master in Charge, Mr. NALB Harishchandra. Basketball, Master in Charge, Mrs. W.A.K. Separika. Master in Charge, Mrs. DMW Lienege.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a louder round of applause as these teachers have done a tremendous service to our school and they very well deserve your appreciation.
Karate, Master in Charge, Mrs. Ishara Vimalaratna. Karate, Master in Charge, Mrs. K.A. Somavati. Badminton, Master in Charge, Mr. J.S. Gunawardhana. Badminton, Master in Charge, Mrs. H.A.P. Sirialapa. Chess, Master in Charge, Miss Hirani Gunaratna. Chess, Master in Charge, Miss Keshani Kulsurya. Table tennis, Master in Charge, Mrs. Tushari Siripala. Athletics, Master in Charge, Mrs. Mudita Hiribitia. Athletics Master in Charge, Mr. P.A.D.N. Jailal.
Football and Cub Scouts. Master in Charge, Mrs. M.P. Khatriya Rachi. Football, Master in Charge, Mr. K.H. Vipul Nishanta. Cadet Platoon, Master in Charge, Lieutenant Duminder Jagat Kumara. Cadet Band, Master in Charge, Second Lieutenant C.D. Amarasuriya. Cadet Band, Master in Charge, Second Lieutenant Nilanthi Kusumalata. Scouts Master in Charge, Mr. M.J.C. Punjihera. Scouts Master in Charge, Mr. B.W.M. Vikramasinghe. Scouts Master in Charge, Mrs. K.A.U. Khatugampola. Scouts and Rowing, Master in Charge, Mr. K.L. Premadasa. Western Band, Master in Charge, Miss W.B.W. Samarasena. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a louder applause. Swimming, Master in Charge, Mrs. M.T. Chandrakanti. Swimming, Master in Charge, Mrs. UDGLK Pereira. Swimming, Master in Charge, Mrs. Vijita Gunasinghe. Basketball, Master in Charge, Mrs. Nirosha Madapatha. Chess, Master in Charge, Mrs. S.S. Samaratunga. Boxing, Master in Charge, Mrs. HMLN Vijay Vikrama. Thank you, sir.
Now we shall move on to another exhilarating cause of dance which symbolizes the strength of youth by synchronizing up-country, low-country and freestyle dancing movements. This dance, which is presented by the senior dance group of Mahanama College, has been choreographed by Mrs. Shiromi Kumara Singha and Isurveera Singha. As you shall witness the heights of these dancers have reached, you will feel that Mahanamians have gone beyond the culture.
It's true even for our fellow sportsmen. And so, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to award appreciation certificates to all the dedicated coaches. Now I cordially invite our principal, Brigadier Colonel Prasanna Prashantha, and to accompany him, our deputy principal, Mr. M.V.S. Gunatilaka. Before giving the award for the coaches, I would like to invite Master in charge of the handball, Mr. Daminda D. Vikramasinghe. Now we are going to start to give the appreciation certificates to the dedicated coaches. Rugby, Mr. Lasantha Gunawardana. Cricket, Mr. Prasanna Disanayaka. Carom, Mr. Karunaratna Jayasinghe. Table tennis, Mr. Muhammad Mufarat. Athletics, Mr. Shivanta Veerasurya. Mr. Dilupa Dharmasena. Handball, Mr. Uday Kumara Dharmasena. Cadetman, Mr. P.M. Osmond. Swimming, Mr. K.G. Rajapaksha. Sir, please remain on the stage. For the great service rendered in making Mahanamians accomplished with discipline and sportsmanship, he should be honored with our sincere thanks and gratitude. By being the POG of Mahanama College, he worked hard to uplift the standards of our sports. We cordially invite Mr. Cyril Silva with great respect to receive the memento.
Sir, please remain on the stage. Now we are going to award another memento. It is for the fullest cooperation in making this event a success.
We cordially invite the Cub Scout R.M. Janik Chaturanga, P.K. Pramadija Chatura Prabhashwara, M.D. Nadisha Lakshan, Thank you, sirs, for joining with us.
Cricketing hero, the former Sri Lankan Test cricket captain, the chief guest for this evening. It's a great pleasure for me to invite Mr. Mahela Jayawardena to address the gathering.
Fellow students, it's a great honor for me to be here tonight. It's always a distinct honor to be part of a colors night of any school, which takes my memory back to when I went to Nalanda and how eagerly we were waiting for the colors night to come along so that all the students get recognized for their hard work, for their patience, for their attitude, for their hunger for success. As the principal said in his speech, it's quite right that you need to develop other skills other than having a great education. I'm no way saying that you should not be learning and doing well, but at the same time I believe that having extra skills makes you a much better all-rounder in the society, and that you gain a lot of respect by doing that. Sports is something that given me personally a lot of education, taught me how to be a team player, taught me how to be an honest person, taught how to fight for everything, not to give up on efforts that we've always wanted to do. Taught me to respect the opponent, taught me to think, taught me to dream. So when you take all those goods, you see that what sports mean to me, not just cricket, but other sports as well. I think being a sportsman gives you that extra edge of education, how to become a better person. And if you have the passion to achieve better things in life, I think sports makes a huge difference. At the same time, for all the young Mahanamians who's going to receive awards tonight, a very big congratulations. It's a very proud moment for each and every one of you, and it's important that you have those dreams, have those aspirations to achieve better things in life. I won't take that much time, but I have to apologize that I cannot be here for the entire event. I have other prior engagements. I'm honored that I was invited for the event, and I wish all of you all the very best in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Current head prefect of the school, troop leader of Scout Troop 2011 and 12, Gold Star of Mahanama College Cup Pack, Best Explorer Kiss Exploration Challenge, participated more than 15 all island hiking competitions, participated in 7th and 8th National Jamboree, 26th Asia Pacific Regional Jamboree held at Thailand, 29th Asia Pacific Regional Jamboree, 39th, 40th, 41st Colombo District Scout Camporee, 42nd, 43rd, 44th, 5th, 6th and 8th Scout Jamboree as a Scout. K. Pamoda Darshana. All-Island Basketball Tournament in 2012, Under 19B Champions, Dilan Bandara Kiridivela. Tamod Dinushan. Taranga Prasad.
And we have a big round of applause for your Mahanamians.
Tikiri Shanti Zanayaka. K. is Ronald Bimsar. All Island Basketball Champions in 2012, All Island B under 15, 3rd place 2011. Mithil Anuradha Jayasinghe.